Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Raúl Farfán from Raúl Farfán Photography. And this is day 2 of my photo session, Warrior Nights. I just came up with that name actually. That was not really the name of the photo session. Anyways, so as I told you before, I came up with these props. This is all EVA foam. It looks very metallic, doesn't it? So today I'm going to continue with the photo session. Yesterday I did a bit of kind of a landscape photos with the spear, and now I'm going to change the orientation of the photo session. I'm basically going to be shooting at vertical at the moment. I'm only using 2 lights as I did yesterday. One key light with an Explore 400 Pro TTL and a Glow Octabox. I think it's a 48-inch Octabox with a grid, so I can control light, because this is kind of a small place and the light may bounce around everywhere. And for the rim light or hair light, I'm using just a speed light, also from Flashpoint. It's the Godox V1 or the Flashpoint Leon TTL Pro is a very long name. Anyways, so without any further ado, I hope you enjoy the second session, and I'm going to be publishing the photos in the next couple of days. Have fun. Raúl.